Dear learners, welcome to my class. How are you? I think you are well by the grace of Almighty God. Dear learners, you know that we are facing a critical moment. Now we are facing a serious epidemic called COVID 19. In this time, it has taken an epidemic form. Every day, it has taken away many valuable lives. I request you and advise you to stay home, use mask, use sanitizer in order to save yourselves from this disease. I also advise you to maintain social distance so that you can keep away yourself from this disease. Dear learners, I would like to thank all of my viewers, all of the honorable teachers, all of the respected guardians who are watching this video. Dear learners, today I am here to take an English class. This class has been specially designed for the students of class 8. I advise you to bring some papers, take a pen so that you can take notes whenever necessary. Dear learners, let's enjoy the class. I will show you some slides. You have to follow it carefully. Dear learners, enjoy the class. At first, I would like to introduce myself. This is Himanshu Shaha, Assistant Teacher of English of Fort Secondary School, Khalishpur, Khulna. Now starts our today's class. There dash a mosque in our village. There there is a mosque in our village. Here we have to use is in the dash. You can notice a big pond in the picture. There dash two ponds in our village. There are two ponds in our village. Our today's class is on fill in the blanks English second paper for the students of class 8. Rule number 1, there plus is oblique was oblique has plus singular subject, there plus are oblique were oblique have plus plural subject. Now I will show an example. There were two friends in a village. Rule number 2, is or every plus is or was or has plus singular subject, such as is boy and is girl dash present there, is boy and is girl was present there, every boy and girl dash been given 500 taka, here was a singular verb. Each boy and girl has given 500 taka. Every boy and girl has given 500 taka. Each boy and each girl was present there. Every boy and girl has been given 500 taka. Here has is a singular verb and was is also a singular verb. Rule 3. Somebody or someone or some boys plus have or has plus past participle of verb, such as someone dash stolen the pen. Some boys have failed in the examination. Someone has stolen the pen. Here has is a singular verb. Some boys dash failed in the examination. Some boys have failed in the examination. Here have is a plural verb. Rule number 4. Any, none, is, every, either, neither, on plus singular verb. One of the boys dash present there. One of the boys is present there. None of them dash present there. None of them was present there. Either of them dash stolen it. Either of them has stolen it. Rule number 5. Population, public, crowd, army, congress, committee, team, government, family, pair, dozen, scenery, knowledge, 100, 1,000, furniture, machinery, information, bread, money, advice, poetry, gallows, ethics, mathematics, physics, news, electronics, dynamics, 2 or 3 dollars, 2 or 3 miles, plus singular verb. For examples, ill news dash fast, ill news runs fast. Here ill news is a singular subject, so we have to use or we have to add s or es after a singular verb because of singular subject, and the subject is third person. Physics dash a critical subject. Physics is a critical subject. Rule number 6. People, spectacles, trousers, scissors, branches, clothes, goods, headquarters, vegetables, lodge, police, cattle, folk, circumstances, gentry, plus plural verb. For example, his circumstances dash not good. His circumstances are not good. Here are is a plural verb. People dash the same food. People do not eat the same food. People don't eat the same food. Vegetables dash vitamin. Vegetables contain vitamin. Rule number 7. Feel, love, hear, like, hate, see, forget, consist, seem, sound, smell, believe, know, wish, doubt, prefer, imagine, fear, taste, astonish, please, understand, etc. They are used in present indefinite tense, not in continuous tense. For example, I dash the bird, I see the bird, I dash the news, I hear the news, I dash everything, I forget everything. Rule 8, prefer to plus verb plus ing. For example, Torikul prefers to dash newspaper. Torikul prefers to reading newspaper. Joynal prefers to dash betel. Joynal prefers to eating betel. Here I have used ing after a verb. Rule number 9. If in the sentence there is for or since plus time, the sentence will be present perfect continuous tense. Now look at the example. The boys within bracket fly kites since morning. Answer: the boys have been flying kites since morning. Here you can notice that for since plus time is used, so we have to use present perfect continuous tense. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus have been or has been plus verb plus ing plus extension. Now I will move to another rule, that is rule number 10. If in the sentence there is recently or already or just now or lately, the sentence will be present perfect tense. Now look at the example. They already within bracket leave the place. Here you can notice a word that is already. So for this we have to use present perfect tense. They, and the answer is they have already left the place. We have used present perfect tense because of already. Dear learners, the structure of present perfect tense is subject plus have or has plus v3 or past participle of verb plus extension. Now this is time for giving a homework. Homework number 1, fill in the blanks. Number 1, there dash 9 mosques in our village. Number 2, someone dash spread corona in our country. Number 3, one of the women dash corona positive first. Number 4, public dash not our in our country. Number 5, the circumstances dash not in our control. Now homework number 2, fill in the blanks. Number 1, vegetable dash vitamins. Number 2, it is corona dash that. It is corona that dash many lives. Number 3, she prefers to dash novels. Number 4, I dash a bluebird. Number 5, 100 years dash a long time. Thank you. Due to worldwide corona pandemic, we all are passing our days with great concern. I suggest you to stay at home with 100% cleanliness of the surroundings and pass your time studying books. Thank you very much for watching this video. I again advise you to stay at home, use masks use sanitizer, and maintain social distance in order to save yourselves from this disease. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.